Finally, this is the end of the Linggle tutorials. Let's do a quick review on what we have learned so far. We have introduced what collocation and corpus are. We have also introduced what a collocation retrieval tool is. A collocation retrieval tool can be used to search for collocation information in a corpus. Most importantly, we have introduced Linggle, a powerful collocation retrieval system. With the 8 simple and useful syntax commands, Linggle can help you find different collocation information needed. Let's review them one by one quickly. Keyword plus part of speech. This syntax command is used to find related collocations by using part of speech search. For example, keyword plus part of speech syntax command can be used to find common verbs that can be used before the word invitation. Using the pattern to, verb, and invitation, the results include to extend an invitation, to receive an invitation, and to accept an invitation. Wildcard. This syntax command is used to find word strings of up to 5 words in total without limiting their part of speech. For example, the pattern to, reach, wildcard, agreement will retrieve results with word strings up to 5 words, including to reach agreement, to reach an agreement, to reach a final agreement, and to reach mutual agreement. Underscore. This syntax command is used to find single word collocations without limiting their part of speech. For example, the pattern underscore of wind can be used to find single word collocations that are commonly used to describe wind, including a gust of wind, a breath of wind, and a gale of wind. // This syntax command is used to select between 2 words and to find out which one is used more frequently. For example, when you want to express washing clothes and you are not sure whether to do the laundry or to wash the laundry is correct, you can use the pattern to do/wash the laundry, and you will find out that to do the laundry is the better one. $. This syntax command can be used to search word components, including prefix and suffix. For example, if you're not sure what is the antonym of available, you can use the pattern $available to do a Linggle search, and you will find unavailable is the correct answer. $. This syntax command is used to find the synonym of a word. For example, you want to find an alternative way to say important role. You can use the pattern $important role to do the Linggle search, and you'll find more options like key role, significant role, and vital role. ? This syntax command is used to check if a word is needed or not in a sentence, especially when checking a preposition. For example, you want to know if the preposition with is needed in the following sentence. Please contact with us. You can use the pattern contact ? with us to do the Linggle search. You will find that with is not necessary in this example. Curly brackets. Sometimes we remember the partial of a sentence, but don't know the exact ordering of those words. You can use this syntax command to sort out the order of words and also find out the complete sentence. For example, in the previous video, we used curly bracket I think, I am, therefore curly bracket to find out what exactly the famous French philosopher René Descartes has said. Linggle helps you get the correct answer. I think, therefore I am, by using the curly bracket syntax command. Besides the 8 syntax commands, we have also demonstrated how we can combine different syntax commands together. With the combined search, you can do a more precise and advanced Linggle search to meet your needs. That's all for the Linggle tutorials. Thank you for watching. We hope you have learned how to use Linggle to assist your writing. Enjoy your Linggle search. Bye bye.